Hello everyone, welcome to Discover Roo. I'm gonna show you a few plants. I'm gonna show you the view. Baguio City view. Just wait, I'm gonna show you. This is the view from Camp Allen. Look at the sunflowers. Welcome to Discover Roo. I'll show you the plants. Like this. Wow, nice. I'll show you another view. Wait, those trees, they're so tall. There's some gumamela there. This is another view from Camp Allen. So welcome to Discover Roo. Welcome to Baguio City. Thank you to all the people watching our videos. We just want to share the everyday life and places here in our beautiful city. Thank you so much. More blessings to all of us.